Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Randy in New York on this RCI-2995. Randy, we got you fixed up, tune-in alignment, upgraded the power supply. You know, I sent you the private video before where at anything above a 20 watt carrier it was swinging backwards on average power. It was showing good peak numbers. This has got the good transistors in it, and it's a real stout rig now. Let's go right to it. RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. It's 10 watts. 50 watts all the way up. Hello. In the corner. Roll it back down. We're over here, the 500 watt slug. Going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 90 bird average. Show you the peak power. Hello. About 275 peak. It's a stout one. And on sideband, before your display was going out, here's sideband. Hello, hello, hello. 11111. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check the voltage drop on this. It doesn't drop. Not even 0.1 of a volt, Randy. So it's ready to go. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.